We got a CJ7. I'm filming it to have an idea of where the lines are for the fuel system, for the brake lines. I'm going to take the all the lines off and paint everything real well. I removed the springs. We're replacing the springs with a lift kit. Not that we want the thing jacked up so high, but we want to put a lift kit on it. It's got 78,000 original miles. Original motor, original transmission, original rust, but the rust comes off. Body, gonna do painting on the body as well. We repaired the place where the roll bar attaches. That was all rusted out. There were holes in it right here. Re-welded a piece in there. I'm gonna have to drill a hole here, make sure that the bolts can thread through there. I'm going to weld this side of that. We welded the top where the rear part of the bar hits. I need to drill some holes in there. But this is the CJ7 Project, 1980, 78,000 original miles. It's a V6 straight V6. Thank you.